Hi dear job seekers, welcome to Likeways. Synergen Bio Private Limited is hiring bioanalytical QC reviewer for experienced candidates. The required eligibility is MSc, BPharm, MPharm with 1 to 3 plus years of experienced candidates. The job location is in Pune. If you want more details about the company, click here. It will redirect to the company's website. Also, here we are providing company reviews, which you can see here. Immediate joiners are preferred. The responsibilities are includes review of raw data forms and chromatograms for method development, method validation, and project sample analysis. Review of stock solution preparation and other Excel sheet data. Review of SOPs, method validation reports, analytical study reports, IQ, OQ, PQ, etc. Responsible for preparing training matrix, training plan, and job description of new employees. Conducting SOP and other relevant training. Effective implementation of GLP and regulatory guidelines in the department. For more details, visit our webpage. If you want more information about job openings, visit our website, and if you want a proper email content, visit our email content page. For more updates, share, like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.